Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install iOS launcher in Galaxy A05 device. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to Play Store and then search for iOS launcher 17. By the way, this one is the launcher OS 18 and all you guys have to do is install this launcher. So after installing the launcher, all you guys have to do is just click to open and then click to set default launcher. Now select launcher to launcher OS 18 and then click to set as default. So as you see, the launcher is now changed to launcher iOS 18 and this is how it look like. And if you want to again change it to a default launcher, so all you guys have to do just go to launcher and then click to set default launcher. After that, just click to home app and then set it to One UI home. So this is how we can again set it to default launcher of Samsung Galaxy. So that's how we can enable iOS launcher 18 in Galaxy A05 device. That's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.